How to request reviews on Amazon Seller Central. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your account on Amazon Seller Central, and after that log into your account. Then on the top left hand side corner, you would be able to find the option of menu. Simply click on the menu and select the option of orders. Then under orders, you would be able to find the option of manage orders. Simply click on it, then you would be able to find all the different orders and select any particular order, and after that for which you want to send the review, simply open it up, and after that on the right hand side corner you would be able to see the option of review a request. Simply click on it, then click on yes, and this way you would be able to request a review for any particular order, but that particular order must be eligible in order to be reviewed, or to be eligible to request a review. You won't be able to send a review request for the orders that are lesser than 3 days. So after 5 days and before 30 days, you can request a review for any particular order. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.